Factory outlet original, made in Vietnam. And see if I can find some good shoes in here. So yeah, they've got these here. It's called Hoka, which I've never heard of before. They got Nike Airs here as well, which I'm not a big fan of Nike actually. I prefer New Balance, but these could be good. They also have New Balance, which is my favorite brand right here. These look to be like pretty high quality. I kind of like these Nikes right here. They're pretty, I like the style. But, a lot of these Nike shoes are made right here in Vietnam, so you can get a nice pair for much cheaper than you would in the US or, you know, even Thailand, I would think. My Grab driver just picked me up because I have to go about 17 minutes from where I'm at now to exchange currency. I got about 12,000 Thai baht, but I have no way to pay for anything unless I use my card. So I have to go up to a jewelry store. It's a gemstone store or something, and they apparently have the best exchange rates in this part of Hanoi. It's actually kind of a blessing in disguise that I forgot to exchange currency, because then now I'm in this Grab and I get to see around the city a little bit more. It's quite interesting, but I don't really want to be walking around outside too much because it's very polluted today. It's currently rush hour. A lot of people are getting off work, so I didn't really pick the best time to take this Grab to this where I'm going. This seems to be a really touristy area in the heart of Hanoi. I'm a little bit outside of this area. Very busy here, and the streets are quite narrow. But I'm noticing there's a lot of shops around here. There's a place I can possibly get some shoes and something to eat. My Grab driver just dropped me off, and now I'm up here, and this place is just so busy up here. It's crazy. So this is where I have to go to exchange the Thai baht for currency, right here. Jing San, right here. Apparently they have the best exchange rate, and that's what the sign says right here as well. Best exchange rate. Yeah. 8.3 million. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Yes, yes. So this is where you're going to want to come if you want the best exchange rate in Hanoi right here. It's called Jing San right here, and it's a gold shop, and it's in this area, which I'm not exactly sure where I'm at right now, but yeah, I'm just going to walk around and see what there is to see around here. A lot more going on here than the area where I'm staying, up by the lake. And I picked that place intentionally because I don't really want to be where all the tourists are, which is actually, that's where I'm at now. I'm seeing a lot of massage shops, restaurants. I really got to get something to eat because I'm starving. Haven't really eaten much today. I think it's probably better if I go the other direction because that seems even busier. But just kind of want to explore and show you guys around Hanoi a little bit. Still not used to crossing the street yet. Can also get one of these and ride around as well. No, thank you. I saw a shoe store back here. It said made in Vietnam, and I could probably find some pretty cheap shoes in there for riding the Haijiang Loop. And I'm gonna need a nice pair of shoes anyway. Let's see what we can find. Whoa! Almost getting hit by motorbikes. But yeah, I'm looking for this shoe store. I saw it when I was in the Grab. And then after that, I'll get something to eat. So right here, factory outlet original, made in Vietnam. and see if I can find some good shoes in here. So yeah, they've got these here. It's called Hoka, which I've never heard of before. They got Nike Airs here as well, which I'm not a big fan of Nike actually. I prefer New Balance, but these could be good. They also have New Balance, which is my favorite brand right here. These look to be like pretty high quality. I kind of like these Nikes right here. They're pretty, I like the style. But, a lot of these Nike shoes are made right here in Vietnam, so you can get a nice pair for much cheaper than you would in the US or, you know, even Thailand, I would think. Yeah, these ones are 850,000 dong, so that's like roughly $35. They look to be good quality. He's quite busy right now, so maybe I'll get something to eat. Oh, I'll get something to eat first. Hello. There's just so many options to choose from here, it's a little bit overwhelming. So much stuff going on. Try this way instead. Oh. See if I can find a good pho restaurant. Hello. Oh, here we go. Oh, this could be good. This could be good. Right here. New Day Restaurant. And it looks like they have pho. Do they have pho? They must have pho here. There it is. I'm gonna stop in here. So yeah, I should be able to get the pho in here. I feel like I'm just in the kitchen or something. Can I have a pho ga?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Outside,
Okay.
inside?
Oh, outside.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you. Looks like they have pretty good pho here, so I just ordered a pho ga, which is a chicken pho soup. It's been like a year since I had pho, so I'm really looking forward to it. Oh. This is classic Vietnamese beer. I drink it a lot in Thailand too, as well. Very good beer. Living large. But yeah, definitely interesting area here. Very touristy, but I do like it because I'm also a tourist here. I'm not gonna ride one of these things around though. It just looks ridiculous. And I feel bad for the guy pedaling too. Yeah, we're gonna go back to that shoe store now. So here we are, back at the store. Still very busy in here. It's got some Air Jordans here. All right. Gentleman just sold me some New Balance shoes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
so much.
Vietnamese.
Yeah, recommend.
Cảm ơn.
Come on. Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Vietnamese, cảm ơn. Yeah.
Okay. 2 new subscribers for the channel.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Perfect.
You got it.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank
Thanks
you.
for subscribing.
Surprise.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Yeah, bye bye.
Excellent. So now I've got some New Balance shoes and 2 new subscribers. Yeah, it's crazy busy here. Jeez. Another thing I'd like to find while I'm over here is a SIM card because I didn't get one at the airport. Hello. And this seems to be one of the best places to get a SIM card. I see a sign for SIM cards. Booking office, money exchange, SIM card 4G. I don't know where else to go. Is good SIM card in here? Okay. So let's see what's available.
I will give you 250,000.
250?
Yeah.
I think that's okay.
For the in Vietnam is very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
That should do it.
Let me try.
Probably seen pictures of this building on social media, wherever. And there it is. So this is the old quarter where I'm at right now. Let's keep walking here. Gotta be careful with the motorbikes though. They come right at you. Now I'm stopping into this bar called Northern Soul here in the Old Quarter. Drinking a Tiger beer. Cheers. It's kind of fun just to sit here and people watch and listen to the motorbikes going by, honking their horns. It's not bothering me quite as much as it did last time I was in Vietnam, last year. Yeah, if you're looking to make a trip to Vietnam sometime soon, I highly recommend checking out Hanoi. Definitely a fun night out on the Old Quarter. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace from Vietnam. US. US? America. Yeah. But live in Thailand. Cool place. Headed back to the hotel now.